Hey guys, so my Quiet Breeze came today. This is not going to be hung or anything until like the new year probably. It'll go where the Centreville is by new year probably. I might hang a Discovery. But yeah, I'm praying that this will have the oval logo. It has it on the motor, but not on the actual box. It's a more chill fan. We're gonna find out. Either logo gonna be really happy though. It says 2010, and I believe 2010 is the last year they did those logos. You can pause if you want to read any of this. But let's just open it right up because I'm too excited. It has the dust armor blades, which is gonna be nice for down here. Okay, so there's a manual, has the newer Hunter logo, so I think this is gonna have the newer logo. It's got the reversible blades. What do we have here? We've got the blade arms. We've got screws and stuff. Here's the light kit, candelabra sockets, and then the light bulbs. Alright, we got the... Ooh, it has that older mounting plate. And the glass. Now let's grab the motor out. Alright, we got the newer logo. Let's see if there's a date on the motor. It has the older logo on here. Yep, there's the new style Hunter logo. Here it is, all factory brand new. It spins, it's got sipping blocks. Here's the pole chain. Pretty hard to pull. It's got the wiring. This is the light kit. These are the bulbs. Little candelabra bulbs. It has the slightly newer style downrod ball. Bouncing kit. Oh, it has the Hunter pole chain extensions. That's cool. Yeah, it sucks that this has the newer Hunter logo though. But I will save the box. It doesn't have a date on it either, does it? It doesn't, but it's... Oh, here it is. It's in the 16th week of 2012. So yeah, this is actually a very cute fan. I really like it. It looks good too. I love the look of it. So yeah, I'm gonna be opening this on Christmas. It's my early Christmas present. So yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing the fan. Bye.